Have you ever wondered how to grow exotic tropical plants at home? These green wonders not only enhance your living space with their vibrant beauty, but also purify your air. If you're curious about how to grow these beautiful plants, you're in for a treat. The first step in growing exotic tropical plants at home is selecting the right plant. It's crucial to pick a species that thrives in your living environment and climate. Common choices include peace lilies and rubber plants. Once you've chosen your plant, it's time to start the growing process. Now, let's dive into the planting and care process of your chosen tropical plant. Start by selecting a pot that allows ample room for growth. Then, fill it with a well-draining potting mix. Next, ensure your plant receives plenty of indirect sunlight and stays in a warm, humid environment. When it comes to watering, keep the soil consistently moist, but never waterlogged. Remember, each plant is unique and may require slight adjustments to these guidelines. With these steps, you're well on your way to growing a thriving tropical plant at home. Growing exotic plants at home can come with its set of challenges. For instance, you might encounter pesky pests, diseases, or even inadequate growth. Fear not, solutions are at hand. For pests, natural insecticides or introducing beneficial insects can work wonders. Diseases, often due to over- or underwatering, can be mitigated by monitoring your plant's water needs carefully. As for stunted growth, it's often down to inadequate light or nutrients. By identifying and addressing these issues promptly, you can ensure your plant stays healthy and vibrant. Growing exotic tropical plants at home is a rewarding experience. From selecting the right plant, understanding its unique needs, to troubleshooting any issues that arise, the journey is filled with learning and joy. Seeing a seedling you've nurtured blossom into a vibrant, full-bloom spectacle brings a satisfaction that is truly unparalleled. It's a testament to your patience, care, and love. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.